Global consumer spending is not just growing, it's constantly evolving. Aiming to benefit from the investment opportunities arising from these changes, I present to you our Global Consumer Trends Strategy. This strategy applies a unique investment approach to uncover the structural winners of powerful long-term trends shaping consumer spending. Such trends unfold gradually over time, which is why most investors underestimate their far-reaching consequences for markets and individual businesses. As a result, they typically represent a very attractive playing field for investors with a long-term focus. But finding the structural winners is easier said than done. For one, the percentage of listed companies able to compound wealth at above-average rates of return is extremely low. More often, investors get lured by fancy narratives that turn out to be bad investments. To uncover which quality companies will be the ones to benefit from the long-term trends in global consumer spending, we need a clear and time-tested philosophy and an adaptive focus on the most attractive sub-trends. The journey starts with the identification of three major trends: the digitalization of consumption, the rise of the emerging consumer, and the increasing relevance of health and well-being aspects for consumers all around the world. Combining these three trends allows for substantial diversification benefits. Digital technologies are gaining market share and are being adopted by consumers at an accelerating pace. For instance, the payments industry is gradually moving away from cash payments towards electronic and digital payments. In emerging economies, population growth, accelerated urbanization, and increasing wealth are the drivers of a long-term growth trend in consumer spending. This encompasses both basic and discretionary items. Meanwhile, consumers' focus on health and well-being started well before the COVID-19 outbreak. But the pandemic has certainly intensified their focus on items such as health, hygiene, and personal well-being. We use both qualitative and quantitative analysis to identify the structural winners of these trends. These are high-quality businesses with established brand names, high competitive advantages, and superior returns on capital. These have historically delivered above-average returns while offering downside protection. In an environment characterized by slower global growth, lower yields, and lower expected equity returns, our approach has delivered strong and consistent outperformance over the years. We remain convinced that focusing on the structural winners of major global consumer trends offers the best way to generate superior long-term investment returns for our clients. So, to sum up, in global consumer trends, we benefit from the most powerful trends in global consumer spending. We focus on structural winners of these trends, and we apply a clear and time-tested investment philosophy. Visit our website or subscribe to our channel for more content. Till next time.